Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to turn on comment push notifications on Facebook. This feature ensures you never miss a comment on your posts by sending instant alerts directly to your device. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app is open, locate the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines, often found in the bottom right corner for iOS or top right for Android. Next, tap on the menu icon to access the options. Scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to expand the menu, and then select Settings. Now, scroll through the Settings page until you reach the Preferences section. Within this section, look for an option labeled Notifications and tap on it. Once you're in the Notifications settings, you'll see a list of categories. Find and select the one labeled Comments. This is where you can customize how you receive notifications specifically for comments. Finally, within the Comments notification settings, locate the Push option. Tap on it and toggle it on. This will activate push notifications for comments, ensuring you receive real-time alerts whenever someone comments on your posts. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully enabled comment push notifications on Facebook. Now you'll stay updated and never miss an important interaction again. Thanks for tuning in.